Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the e-commerce website demo in Nuxt.js. So friends, before showing a working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates and also you would get multiple free things on my blog as well. See guys. And also you can contact me via my blog as well, therichpost.com. Contact us page, Gmail ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. I am full-time freelancer, you can hire me. Now back to e-commerce template demo. Also you will get multiple features in this website like mini cart, update quantity, add quantity and delete product as well. So here we go. So beautiful top section, see guys. The mini cart toggle, now empty. Scroll bit down, beautiful header section. Show by category section, friends, see. New arrivals with quick view as well, see. Add to cart, clicked and see the product edit. You can delete it as well. Now I will add again, see, add to cart, product edit, see guys, we can increase quantity as well, see, works well. Scroll a bit down, beautiful sections, best sellers, I will add one more, quick view, add, see, works well. Reviews, newsletter and footer. Scroll to top. So guys, see the beautiful website e-commerce Nuxt.js with properly functionality mini cart. Add cart works well. Product edit, quantity updated, deleted as well. So friends, this is for today, and after it I will come with more demos as well. So if you want to hire me, then just ping me as well. I'm full-time freelancer. So in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.